fuel tank, I also realized that the fuel pump had the nipple was cracked right here off. That was another big factor. Luckily, when I brought the other fuel tank, I also brought another fuel pump. This nipple right here was broken off right there. This is aftermarket fuel pump, but it's just as good. Now we'll be changing it out. This is the old one. Here's my new one. See? Come in, everything the way it's supposed to be done. That goes over there. Procedures right here and go right here. Now this locator right here. Right there. See, it has a locator right here for this. Now, this. These three right here, you always want to leave it kind of spaced out. Want to leave this open for put the hose in and connect right here. Then this right here. I always want to be prepared. Yeah. See how this is open? Right there. 3 10mm bolts. Tighten them all tight, secured, and there we go. Now, under, you see how it is, like this, the hose will connect there and the connector there. Here I go. Jack it up a little bit. Hold it. Let me get under here. What? Okay, stop. Good. What side is it on? 14mm screw as we got this strap right here. I jack on it up, just like that. Just a little bit. You want to tighten it. You snug it in because you still got the front to do. You connect this, but this is bracket is snugged in on both sides. It'll hold this tank up. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead, go to the front right up here, and connect the two lines right there. So I'm going to turn around, put everything up right there, and go up now to the front. Let's see if it's in there too. Check to see if that is in there. Okay, right in there, connected right there, all the way back to right there. Now it's connected in. Now as we push up, look at how snug that goes. And no, it goes so snug because there's no. Screwdriver, where you at? Now, as we finish up, got to connect the hose right here. Let's put it back, pull up. Now that groove right here, that little sectional part right here, it's all the way in right there, a little back. Alright, just like a sock. See, you bring up your clip right here, flathead screwdriver. I can get that. Easy peasy right here. Just tighten it up. I like using a flathead screwdriver because to me it feels safer and easier. You could use an 8mm if you would like, but I like this because I just stop real quick. I'm done. Don't have to gorilla tighten it. This is plastic. You don't want to over tighten it when you're screwing. Tightening it down. See? I always want to check. See? But everyone does it their way. There it is. See? Like that, it's tight. Secured all the way through. Last but not least, we're connecting the heat shield right here back up. Now, this right here, it ain't too hard. Just gotta put the bolts right here. It's all aluminum. That goes here. Then that back in here. Now, being it's a little bit all clamped up everywhere, but you just have to bend it back into shape. Now, this little tin of gas right there, ties it there. See? One. This is aluminum. 2, 3. You don't have to tighten them real tight because these will definitely break off. See how they're not made to really pressure on that.
it is. These shields well tightened on this side. Real good. Now we'll go to the other side. Right over here. Shield cover. Make sure it's the right way. Make sure everything's right. These are also 10 millimeters too. Let's grab this and start tanking in. After it's completed, this is what it looks like, just like this. Straps, 3 bolts, you have a connector, and then you also have a fuel line and another fuel line, and you have the tubing right there. That's all you have, and you just got to bring it down and make sure you don't have, that's it. To get frustrating, make sure you have your jack and have a plywood block under it to bring it down and lift up. Besides the shield covers right there, 10 millimeter bolts, 3 on that side, just cover on the other side, 3, and that's it. If you have any questions, subscribe to my channel and ask me, and I'll give you the best of my knowledge, let you know what to do. I am the doctor. Peace and have a nice day.